Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.